How to fix can't hear calls unless the speakerphone is on. Here are a few troubleshooting steps to fix the issue. Let's start with adjusting volume settings. Swipe down from the top right corner to open the control center. Now, look for the vertical slider bar with the speaker icon. Tap and swipe up to increase the volume. Next, make a call from another device and check whether you can hear the voice from the earpiece. If it is not working, then check Bluetooth connections. Open the control center and tap on the connections folder. Here, check whether any Bluetooth devices are connected. If there are any connected devices, disconnect them. Now, check whether the sound from the call is audible. If it is still not working, then adjust accessibility settings. Go to the Settings app, scroll down, and tap on Accessibility. Now, scroll down to the Hearing section and tap on Hearing Devices. Here, you will see two options. Turn on the toggle for hearing aid compatibility. Now, check if the sound is coming from the earpiece. If it is still not working, then change the call audio routing setting. Open Settings and scroll down to Accessibility. Next, scroll to the Physical and Motor section and tap on Touch. Scroll down to Call Audio Routing and tap on it. Here, you will see a few options. Make sure Automatic is selected. Now, check if the sound is coming from the earpiece speaker. If it is still not working, try updating iOS. Go to the Settings app on your iPhone. Scroll down and tap on General. Look for Software Update and tap on it. If an update is available, install the latest iOS version. After updating, make a call and check whether the earpiece speaker is working. If not, then try force restarting your iPhone. Press and release the volume up button. Press and release the volume down button. Now, press and hold the side button until the Apple logo appears. Release the button, and your phone will restart shortly. After restarting, make a call and check the earpiece speaker. Still not working? If none of these steps fix the issue, it might be a hardware problem. Visit an authorized Apple store to get it checked and repaired. And that's it.